This is a Tesla booth on one of the regional exhibitions in China, but it feels very weird. First, let's take a look at this Tesla Cybertruck. It attracts a lot of attention, it looks very aggressive, but the strangest thing is I cannot get inside the car. I cannot really see what is inside. In fact, it says I cannot even touch it. And then the lights on the car, they look like an LED strip which is just glued to the body of the car. And then next is this Tesla bot, Maximus bot, and it's just standing here like a monument, like a statue. It's totally motionless. Instead of making it move and perform, they set up a screen here which shows the real Tesla bot Maximus performing. Next imitation is the Tesla Model 3 imitation. I'm not the Tesla owner. If you are the Tesla owner, please call me and tell me what's the difference, but it's certainly not real. And they did not stop on that. They actually went further and they recreated in this corner the whole Tesla infrastructure. Tesla solar roof, Tesla Powerwall, and Tesla Cybervault. All Tesla is here. And of course they do have the regular Tesla charging station next to the Cybertruck, right over here. A lot of people come to this booth. They are very excited to see real Tesla here. And there is no question mark on anybody's face. Yesterday I asked them a question, which company are you working for? They said, we're working for Tesla. Yeah, in a way they are working for Tesla.